Alrighty, Bean Beauties, how are y'all doing? Welcome in. I bought a bag. I bought a bag just for the strap. I mean, I've been wanting the bag. I've been wanting the bag for a while. But the reason that it took me over the edge and I purchased it, I went crazy in the end of February and March ordering. This bag was, let's see, does I have the date that I purchased? March the 6th. And yeah, I bought it because of a strap. So you want to know what bag that I bought just because of the strap? Then come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. We're going to get into it. Hopefully this will be a short one. I always say that and they never are. Um, this was, like I said, it was purchased March the 6th. It was $109, total $117.99, and I bought it merely because of the strap. The strap is what made me go over the edge. It's a tiny bag. You know how I am about the tiny bags. Oh my gosh, I love the tiny bags. Love, love, love the tiny bags. So let's see how fast it takes me to get into these. So can you tell what it is? I don't know if you can tell. Oh, ta-da! Coach's answer to the what is it, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, the Neverfull BB, which I really wanted so bad. So this is in the color chalk, and it has the CC monograms, the signature monograms, the CC monograms. So I've been wanting a small city tote. I believe it's, yeah. This is the mini city tote. I've been wanting one for a while. However, I don't want to pay full price because I'm cheap that way. I don't want to pay full price. And then by the time the prices went down and it went on sale, then there wasn't very many choices in the color. But I figured since this is canvas, it would be easier to kind of clean up. But this is what it looks like in the front, on the side, the back, the other side, the bottom, from the top. That's what it looks like there. And I just thought it was, whoa, fantastic. Okay, and it has a zipper. I forgot it has a zipper, so that was just kind of covering the zipper. It's tiny. Here's the strap. Here's the strap. I'll show it to you in a second. I'm trying to, there we go. Woo. Okay, here's what it looks like on the inside. There's still more stuff. Here's my cell phone, my iPhone Pro 14 Max, my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it's going to be lucky. Will it fit in there? It does. Okay, it fits in there. Yay. And there's plenty of room. I think I saw that in the video. So the tags in here, this one was $250, but I don't know if that's what the normal price is or not. But it's kind of pricey for this, for the bag. And I wanted it because I wanted this strap. And it's the webbing strap. I think, is that what they call it? The webbing strap? So here's the strap. It has where you can have the keychain there. And there's where you can just see Coach kind of so faint. It has the brass hardware. So I just had to have it. I also, because I was thinking, that's the problem, is I was thinking that I have a Louis Vuitton, a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. I don't know if by the time you see this, if I would already have it. It was on the 25th. It's going to be on the 25th, the day of my anniversary, 2-year anniversary release. Yeah, it fits. Perfect. Okay. All right. I just wanted to make sure that this one fit. I bought a black one on sale for $39.99, and here's kind of, this is kind of like it's a it's not really chalk. It's more on the beige side, and it actually also almost gives off a little hint of green, doesn't it? Pulls a little bit green, but I thought it might fit one of those bags. But also too, I wanted this because it kind of felt more like the Neverfull BB, the Neverfull BB, because they have a strap. So I was super excited. So did I tell you how much? Yeah, so 109. I couldn't pass it up. So the price had me there. The price had me halfway there, and then I saw that this one, because they have other ones, other mini city totes, but they don't all have the strap. And when I saw that this one had the strap, I was like, gotta have it. I can keep the strap on the inside, or I can wear it, and another small tiny bag that I can just keep my essentials with and go about my business. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know if you have one. Let me know if you picked one up on the sale back in March. And let me know how you like it. Let me know how you like it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.